mentality, using your physicality to develop the growth of the spirituality. Through nature, the creator, creature, the maker. Remain visible, the truth, educating the youth to be fruitful in a vegetative mind. Staying rooted in a bond, artificial to beneficial. We let the light shine.
choose between very hot day compared to a windy day, even though this wind feels good, it's frustrating me. I'd have to choose a hot day. I'd rather pass out than blow away. I got on these, feels like 10-pound snake boots. They're probably not 10 pounds, but they are heavy. This wind is not helping. So the boots are trying to take me in one direction while the wind is taking me in another. And then all this hair flying in my face, all this hair. This ain't helping. Can't see nothing. It's okay, we're gonna get it done. It's not a perfect line, but the goal is just to get it down, and once we get it down, then we have some sort of boundary. And then we're going to start planning something. Stay tuned. See the finish line. Whoa, that was insane. got that on camera. It literally just went dark. I guess the sun was hidden in the clouds. It just went so dark for a couple seconds as I looked down, and whoa, I just saw, like, it looked like the whole area was just a shadow, and then the light just came back out. That was pretty freaky, pretty cool. Does that happen out here? I'm barely holding myself up. It's so windy. And I got a windscreen from a GoPro, and that's probably not even helping. I'll find out when I edit. So I might have to get an even stronger dead rabbit or something. So anyways, we're almost done. I can see the finish line. Those flags I put there at the beginning before are all crooked. But even though this isn't completely perfect, it is more seamless than when I started. So we're gonna finish this up and we'll come back to you. Hold tight. From here, this does not look like a straight line, but it's all good. We just want a boundary, at least. And what I have here is an angle, an L, going all the way down there, and then I've started the other half of the road. But it's a lot of stuff to clear out on that side, so that's why I'm starting over here. It's more bare. But we have from the road going down here all the way going down there, so we have an L, and we're actually going to start with this area. So I'm going to start in sections, and then later, as I continue to build, then we will go down that way to the other corner as we clear out that brush.
Yeah.